Hello, this is Luis with SS Roofing Restoration Corp. So today I'm going to proceed with the test repair. As you can see here, we have 3 wind damage. This is crease shingles that we have. So I will be replacing this two wind damage, and also this because this is a full piece. There's another wind damage. There's more damage. So, but I'm just gonna replace in this section. The first thing we want to do is if the roof is repairable or not. Before we start the repair, I would like to show you that these are the damage that we're gonna replace it. And this is this shingle. We have to lift it to get the nails out. So as you can see here, there's not any damage on these shingles. There's not any crease shingles. There's not any damage on this. Everything's okay before we do the repair. So I'm gonna proceed to remove these shingles, and let's see what's going on. Alright, the first thing that I'm gonna do is take out the nails. I will be starting. So lift it to proceed to remove the nails. Okay, the first nail is out. This one too. It's already out. Oh, it's hard to make a repair because of the solar panels, but alright, that one too. Okay. Alright. So I removed the nails, but as you can see, to take out the shingles, we have to remove. There's more nails in this section, so we have to remove the nails. We have to remove these nails out, and let's do it. Okay, this is out. Also this one too. Okay. This other one. Okay, also those nails out. All right. So, okay, so I think that's. So I got I removed the shingle, but by building code, we can't do the repair in this roof. We can't do the repair because the roof has 2 layers. As you can see, there's the first layer. The roof is 2 layer. So by building code, we can't do the repair, but still, I'm gonna put it back the new shingle. Okay, it's all the way down. To put it back the nails. also here. Okay, so the repair is done. We replace these shingles. This is the new shingles that we put in. As you can see, I was explaining before the repair, there was not any damage. There was not any damage on this shingles, but as you can see, once you finish with the repair, there's crease shingles. Those creasing. So we replaced those shingles, and we got more damage in this shingles. So this means this roof is non-repairable, and also it has two layers of roof.